Spring is the perfect time of year to get your organization together, to do purging, to do organizing, to do all the things, donate, regift, pack it up, get it out of your closet, and get some practical and pretty solutions that are also budget friendly. I've got some solutions for you. You won't want to miss it. Sugar Cookies Spring Organization is in the air. Spring fling is in the air. Love is in the air. Love is in the air. I have a product here that I want to share with you. This is not a sponsored video, but as I mentioned before, it's spring. It's time to declutter, pull down, peruse through your closet, let go of some things, donate, sell, gift, throw away things that are just taking valuable real estate in your spaces. Hi Sugar Cookies, welcome back or welcome to my lifestyle sauce. For those of you who are new around here, I'm Cookie, your lifestyle, and you're watching a beauty, fashion, and all things lifestyle channel. This product that I'm using here, I saw it on, I'm trying to think whose channel. These are the Interesse handbag storage bags. They come in a package like this. You can find these on Amazon. You can find these, I got mine off of Temu. Temu was the one with the best price. And this box contains 9 pieces and 3 of each. 3 of the large ones, 3 of the medium-sized ones, and 3 of the small ones. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm liking what I see. Don't worry, I'm gonna share with you what I'm doing, how they look for storage. What I like about these bags is that they are breathable. If you have leather bags, you don't want to store your bags in containers that does not allow your leather to breathe. You don't want to keep your leather in humid environments as well. You don't want to keep your leather in direct sunlight or in contact with direct heat, meaning like directly underneath a vent or anything like that. But let me share with you some organizing things that I'm doing. That was the sandal. That was this. Ay, 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 ay. That was the McFartington sandal. That's my store and I'm sticking to it. Why do these sandals always make that farty sound? I know I don't have to explain that, but yeah, I won't. I want to share with you some of my little organizing projects that I can do with one hand. While I'm recuperating, I want to knock out some of these little projects, and what a perfect time to share them with you. These are great organizing products that don't cost. I was doing so good. What a words. Get it together, girl. You can do this. Do it again. Do it again. These are products that don't cost a fortune. No shade to the Container Store or specific container storage type stores and things like that. But honey, save your money where you can. I'm all about quality versus quantity on this channel. Y'all know that I'm bougie, but I'm what?
I'm bougie on a budget. I'm bougie on a budget.
These bags right here, they fit the bill. I think I pay like, I want to say either $7 or $11. If I remember, I will leave all of the information in the description area down below, so you might want to give that a look-see. Now let me share with you some of my organizing storage projects, the containers that I'm using, and what it looks like. Let me show you these containers. You're gonna be amazed. The containers that I'm using are from Walmart. Yes, I know that some people are not shopping at Walmart and Target and all the places, but I'm gonna shop where my money renders me the best solution. Anywho, you do you and I do me. Let's get to the video. Is this thing on? Oh my gosh, it is. This. Guys, I'm sorry about the lighting. This is at a very awkward position. Let's see. Let me try to turn this light on top. Hold on. Oh, much better. Be patient with me. I'm doing this with one hand. All right. So in the package, you get 3 of these small ones. You get 3 of these taller ones, and you get 3 of these medium size ones right here. This is the Kurt Geiger Kensington flap material bag, and this fit this quite nicely. I don't know if you can appreciate on the camera that the back of this bag, the fabric is breathable, and that is very important to allow the item to breathe, expand, do all the things. Even though this is fabric, do you see? It's not tight or anything like that. So if you want, you can also drop in there a little satchel of clove or lavender, because that will keep mold away, and it also smells really nice. So we have that one. And I want you to see the different styles and bags that fit into these storage bags right here. This is not about bragging. This is not about me showing off what it is that I have. It is what it is. I'm sharing with you the bags that I have and how they fit in here. And I'm very happy with this solution, because now once I fit all of these bags in this type of container, in this type of storage bag, then I can go ahead and just place them on my shelf and not have to guess which bag is inside the dust bag. And I really like that solution. I think that's practical. I think it's aesthetic. I like that a lot. Let's see if the bag that I have left is tall enough to fit this particular purse right here. I don't know the name of this purse. It is handmade 100% leather, tooled leather, and it is absolutely stunning. Beautiful. I got this off of Poshmark. The lady who made these bags was on Etsy. She's no longer there. But let's see how well she fits in this bag right here. Again, please have patience with me because I'm doing this with one hand. And that's what that looks like. Oh, and then this is what the small one looks like. This is a Vince Camuto crossbody bag. And look, it fits in here beautifully. So, did I mention that 9 bags? Yeah, I did mention that. I ordered 2 boxes. Oh, also, it comes with this hardware. So like that, if you want to hang the bag like this on the bar of your closet, you can do that as well. A girl has to have options. Okay, so let's try this one right here. Let's see if this one fits in here nicely. Let's see. Oh gosh. Let me try that again.
One hand, people, one hand.
Okay. Okay. Ow, ow. Okay. Let's see. I think it would be better. Okay, she's starting to fit in here, maybe a little snug. Okay, she kind of fits in here, but I would rather do this in an extra, extra large bag. Okay, let's see. Do we see? Okay. Let's see, this might be an issue. Oh no, look. Okay, she fit nicely. What do we think? Now, I still would like to order the extra, extra large tall bags because I have purses that are taller than this, but this just works nicely. Do you see? You place them like this, whichever configuration you want, and you're able to see your bags. What do you have available? You don't have to tear things down, not tear things down. You don't have to pull things out of the dust bag and try to guess which bag is in what dust bag. So I think that this is a great solution for that. I really like that. What do we think? Great solution. I really like that a lot. Let me place one more bag. Let's see. And this small one right here. This was my first real Kurt Geiger bag, and oh, she's so pretty. Thanks to Sharon from Ages Restyling. When I saw her Kurt Geiger bags, oh, I went down that rabbit hole. I sure did. but they are beautiful bags. They're not everyone's cup of tea, but they're certainly my mug of coffee. So let's see, does it fit? Oh, yes, it does. Okay, okay, maybe a little, oh no, okay. Put it down a little more. All right. Oh, that's perfect. Yes, love that. Okay, that is great. Look at that. Another product that I want to share with you as far as organization is concerned are these containers that I found at Walmart. These are oversized clear shoe boxes with the lid. Now, the lids to this are nice and snug. They don't snap, but that's okay. But what I do appreciate about these boxes is that they have holes. I don't know if you can see it. There are some holes right here, which brings some ventilation, and I like that. Now, they have these boxes a little smaller as well. And this is the details of this container. If you want to screenshot it, you can do so. It says that this is the extra wide. This is by the line Mainstay, which is Walmart's brand. This is extra wide clear shoe box with lid. This is a 10 by 5 inches by 14.75 inches by 5.75 inches in height. That's cute. It says don't forget the lid. The lid is included in the price. Guys, this cost me a little over $5. It's aesthetic. It's nice. You don't have to use this for just shoes. As you can see here, I needed to find a solution for my headbands. And I need to see things. If they are hidden away, if they're in a drawer, if they're high up somewhere, I forget all about it. This way, I can see what I have there. I have room. I can grab whatever I want. And that's it. I'm just giving you some ideas for that. You can place socks in here as well. You can place your clutches. You can place makeup in here. All of the things. I mean, it's just fabulous. What a great way to start off spring with these solutions. Great storage solutions. Keeps your closets nice and organized. Aesthetic. On target for budget. All the things. What do we think? Comment below and let me know. Do you have any storage solutions that I should look into that, you know how we are over here that are bougie, but bougie on a budget? Post it down below and I'll give it a look-see. So what do you think? Not bad, right? It looks really nice and aesthetic. You can have several of these across a shelf or all over the ceiling of your closet. You can have some shelves put on the whole perimeter of your closet, and that takes advantage of that real estate above that we don't take advantage of. And you can have several of these bags where you can see that. I like the fact that the back of the storage bag is breathable. It's zip. I like that they have different sizes. I'm definitely gonna have to order the extra large because I have some taller purses that don't quite fit into these storage bags, but I'm happy with that nonetheless because I can see everything. If I don't see it, you know, that's it. It's lost into oblivion somewhere. And that's just a waste of money. If you like this video and you like this kind of content, smash that subscribe button. I'd love for you to join my lifestyle sauce. Post your notification bell, you know, the ding, 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 dong bell, and select option all.
This way YouTube lets you know of all the videos I upload.
Share the videos. Why? Because this way it tells in your algorithm that like-minded people are interacting, that we are engaging, that you like my content, that you want to see more of my content. And guess what? I want to bring you more of my content. And if no one has told you lately,
You was kind, you was smart, you was intelligent.
and seriously, you are fearfully and wonderfully made. The Word of God says that no greater love has a man than this, than to lay down his life for his friend. And I know that we are upon Easter season, Lent and things like that. And how fitting that the story of Jesus Christ, which was true, that he died many thousands of years ago for you and for me. He took your iniquities and my iniquities on the cross, knowing how we would betray him, knowing how we would reject him, knowing how we would behave as a society and he still bore it on the cross. Why did he do that? Because he wanted to restore us into a right standing before God. And he still intercedes on our behalf day and night. No greater love has a man than that. Jesus Christ loves you with an everlasting love. Now you know that I have a Bible verse to share with you to encourage you, to uplift you, to edify you, sharpen you a little bit. And it's a very simple one. And it's this. It's found in John 3:16. John is found in the New Testament. And it says like this. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. Do you believe in Jesus Christ? Do you follow him? He believes in you. Call upon his name. Ask him to be your Lord and Savior. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Having said all that, be blessed, not too stressed, and I'll see you in the next lifestyle moment. Whoo, I gotta go take Storm off because I am for schwitzing in here. I'm melting. What a wow, 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 what a wow.
Duh.
Sugar cookies, it's a little swampish out here in southern Florida, but nonetheless, I'm still having my cup of coffee. Oh, the hot!
Que bruto.
I am exactly 1 week post-op surgery. I still have stitches and all the things in there.
Oh, are you there?
And I'm also well medicated.
Hello?
Agent 777 here. Mission accomplished.